Hey guys, it's Sean with Z1, here to announce an exciting new product for the 350Z and G35 platform. It is our first step into the drifting space, drifting community. It is our take on a bolt-on angle kit solution for your Z or G vehicle. So the goal of this product is to increase your lock-to-lock steering angle on your purpose-built drift car. You'll see gains of about 20 to 30 degrees, which drifting is all about style, so the more sideways you are, the better. Our kit is constructed with 6061 aluminum Type 2 anodized, these black pieces you see here, grade 12-9 fasteners, lock nuts everywhere possible. The heim joint is Teflon lined, 2 Ackerman settings on it. Ackerman, as it relates to drifting, will be the relation between your lead wheel and your trail wheel. A more negative or 0 Ackerman setting means the wheels are more parallel. If you go negative, it's trail wheel's pointing more at the lead wheel. And if you go more positive, the trail wheel is pointing away from the lead wheel. With the 2 Ackerman settings, you would pick whichever one is your favorite, whichever one feels nicest to drive around, get your alignment, go from there. So this kit comes with a tie rod sleeve, heim joint, conical spacer, offset adjustment stud, the bracket itself, a specialized nut for your compression rod, nut and bolt to go into your factory tie rod pickup location, adjustable lock stops to go into your factory compression arms, and a very special stud for a future expansion of this kit. For this kit, in our testing, we've seen gains as much as 20 to 30 degrees. Ends up being about 55-ish degrees full lock on the lead wheel, which feels great in a little bit of testing that I've done. Having that much lock available makes the car a lot better to drive, gives you a little bit more control, and in the sense of style makes you look cooler the more sideways you are. This kit is very simple, very easy to install, does not require much service past your normal nut and bolt check that you should be doing after every event. After installing this kit, make sure that you go and get an alignment, get your toe set how you want it to. Make sure everything's tight, paint marked, Loctited, all of that fun stuff. This kit pairs very well with our offset rack spacers. I would recommend it personally. So I'm very excited to finally announce this product. We've been working on this for quite some time. I've had a lot of seat time and a lot of help developing this kit. For any more info, updates, anything else, head on over to z1motorsports.com, and I hope to see you out on track.